everybody, Danny here. Want to learn to draw a boat? Come on over to Easel. I'll show you how. Meet you there. I tell you what, you want to draw a boat? Easiest way I know. You start with a figure 8, just like that, okay? Then you just come up to the midpoint right here, draw a line down, okay? Now, just follow this line around like that, okay? There you go. Then just darken these in, just like that. And you've got your boat, okay? Pretty darn simple. Let's use this boat in our next painting series, okay? Be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link. Make sure you tap the bell so you get all the notifications. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. It don't get a lot easier than that. Tomorrow, we'll take that boat and we'll put it into a painting. I'll see you tomorrow. Remember, Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.